Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create Zapier account. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is simply go to any web browser, let's just say Google web browser, type Zapier and you can see here options, links inside. Now we have here easier automation, bigger impact. You can see here the definition and description of Zapier. So we have options here, start free with email, start free with Google, log in or sign up. So you can tap any of this, or you can even scroll down to know more about Zapier. So for me, let me know first what Zapier is. Of course, it builds custom workflows in minutes, get more power from your tools, trigger plus action, connect the apps you already love. Okay, so I think you just have to search and connect the application that you want to use for your Zapier. Okay, so 1.8 million people already using this automation or Zapier. So to start, you just have to tap any, choose an account. Okay, so that is your Google account, of course. And then after that, they will ask you some questions like help us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself. You can choose any here. How many employees does your company have? So you can choose any of this here, but I'm a small company, so I'll choose this 1 to 49 and then click continue. Okay, so after that, what apps do you use? Actually, there are tons of applications here that you can use or you can add to your Zapier. All you have to do is to tap any. Now, if you can't see that application here, as you can see, search 5,000 plus apps. So all you have to do is to simply go to the search bar here and type the application that you're looking for. Let's just say Asana. So you just have to tap this one, okay, and look for another apps, okay. So after that, you have to click finish setup or you can skip. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, beside here, we have here the options, dashboards, apps, tables, and so on. So to start, you can simply tap this create zap here. But take note, we're only given 14 days to try Zapier. If you're going to tap the side, you can see the setting and log out. Okay, so that's it. Now to start, you can just simply tap this create zap here. And then as you can see, we have here number one trigger. So you just have to tap this entitled step. And then here you can search for the application that you want to add. For example, Asana. Okay. And then you just have to answer this like event, choose an event. Let's just say new project, click continue. And then for account, you have to sign in or log in your Google account. Okay, so permit or allow Asana first. Okay, and then after that, click continue. So we have here workspace. You can just simply add something here. You can custom. So let's just say my workspace. You can test this or you can just simply skip this trigger. Okay, so after you tap test your trigger, you can see here below the samples or the projects in your Asana. All you have to do is to tap any of this here and then continue with the selected word. Okay, so if you're going to add another, then you can simply tap this untitled step here. Okay, so that's it. Now, once a new project in Asana appears, you can add another application so that it can help you with doing task or doing some tasks in Asana much easier. For example, you wanted to add Google Docs, okay, and then do the same thing, do the same method, continue, sign in your Google account, okay, tap your Google account or email, click allow, and then that's it. Now you can click continue and then provide the information here. Okay. So actually there's another way on how to add applications aside from clicking create new app. But before going on to that, If you go to your home, you can simply turn this one on and off. Okay, so you can turn this one off if you don't want to receive any notification from Zapier, okay, or any new project or any, yeah, new notification from Zapier. You can turn this one off. Okay, so you can go to My Apps and add connection again. Okay, so if you want Google Sheet, if you think that Google Sheet is very important or very useful, so you just have to tap that and then click allow, and then you can see this Google Sheet to your Zaps. Okay, so you can see you added your Google Sheet already in your Zapier. So that's how useful Zapier is. And we all know that automation is used to reduce labor costs or to take the place of people in the most routine or menial jobs. Although automation is present in almost all industries, such as manufacturing, utility, transportation, and of course, technology, we all know that this one is very useful and it can give a big benefit to every one of us. Automation can lend a hand when you want to accomplish more and make a bigger impression at work. Zapier helps you to complete normal and repetitive tasks automatically, removing the physical labor from busy work and giving you more time to concentrate on your most important work. Automation can be useful whenever you find yourself performing tasks repeatedly, such as transferring data between apps or platforms, checking for alerts across many locations, or notifying individuals when changes have been made. So that is the importance or the benefit of using Zapier. It will just do everything here, notify you, will do the test or will do the minimal task. You know, you don't need to do something for that because Zapier will do that for you. So as you can see, if these are repetitive tasks, Zapier will help you not to do it anymore, and you can entrust Zapier to that. Again, Zapier is an internet tool that connects your favorite apps and services to automate operations. You can automate tasks as a result without having to develop this integration yourself or having this integration created for you by a professional. It accomplishes this by enabling you to build automated workflows called zaps, which are made up of trigger and one or more actions. A new zap that you create and activate will execute its action each time the trigger event takes place. Now, upgrading your plan means unlocking new features. So, if you're going to upgrade any of this plan here, you can see here the benefits and advantages once you upgrade your plan. For example, starter, professional, we have here team and company with its equivalent amount. But it's worth it because you can see here the features and the advantages, the benefits, and you can just avail all of this if you upgrade your plan in Zapier. So I really hope that you can now start your project using Zapier, and I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.